you scrapbookers. This is Felicia, and I am here today because I have something that all of you could probably appreciate. It is a little personal heater. It's an electric heater, and it's so cool, you guys, because it gets super cold in my house, and this actually would just be perfect for my scrapbooking area. It's small enough to fit right over to the side over here so that I can have the heat coming on me personally. Winter's coming on us soon, so this is the greatest thing. I am previewing this. This was sent to me, so I'm going to open this because I haven't opened it yet. I just opened it from out of the box, and I will leave a link to where you can get this from Amazon if you are interested. So we have a little thingy here to get a free gift. Thank you for purchasing this. And you can get a free gift. Looks like a thermometer. And then we also have the instruction manual here that comes with the heater. Okay, all right. So we're going to take this puppy out because I've always wanted a personal heater, something that I could have on my desktop here. And this is how it comes. It comes packaged pretty well. There's some foam down in there, and I just took this piece of foam here off the top. So we're going to put that in there. And I am taking this out of the plastic. It has a nice little cord on there. This is another thing that I like, is a nice little lengthy cord. Oh my gosh, lengthy cords are my best friends. And this has a nice little sturdy lengthy cord here. All right, so this is the cord. I'll move the plastic out of the way. Let me move this goody stuff out of the way here. Put the instructions right there. So this is what it looks like, and it has a do not cover on it. So for those of you who know, you're not supposed to cover any heating device. And this is cool. I like how this looks on the inside here. And it's got the on and off button back here in the back. And I guess you could take out the, yes, this is where the filter is, and you can take that out and clean it. So yes, let's see how this is going to work. All right, I'm going to plug it in, and then I will let it run and see how it works. Okay, guys, I kind of fooled around with it a little bit while I was plugging it in. This is awesome. This is cool. You hit the buttons are on the top here, and you hit the button here. This brings, and it works. The heat comes out automatically. Oh my gosh. And then you have the little button here, and it oscillates. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, this is going to make my desktop be so awesome. Look at his. Look how he's a little rotating. This is so cool. Oh, it is nice and hot too. Oh, I'm going to love this. This is going to make for a better scrapping time for me during the winter. So anyway, so this is a personalized ceramic heater, and it's doing its job. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. I love the buttons. They're kind of just here, you just touch them, and you know, you don't have to, you know, it's flat here. This is great, you guys. And then there's the off button. You can have it on certain levels. And yeah, and it has a little, and what now, if you hit it or move it or knock it, it shuts off. See? So it's off now. So I guess that's a like a automatic prevention thing from anything catching on fire. So here we have the instructions here. So I'm going to, I looked at them, and I like it because yeah, look at that. Oh, this is great. And then it shows you kind of like the structures and all the parts here of the heater. And it has some troubleshooting tips. And it has a warranty. And it offers a 1-year warranty from the date. And let's see. Please switch off and unplug the heater before cleaning. So you can clean it, and you clean in the back, and you can clean in the front as well, as you can see. This is really cool. This is awesome. And yeah, so it has instructions on what to do. You don't place it near curtains, of course, and all that stuff. It's made to sit on top of your desktop and things like that. Oh my gosh. It says like the heater utilizes PTC ceramic heating element, which has the advantage of fast heating, and they're not kidding. This works awesome. High conversion rate, long lifetime, no naked fire, and no oxygen consumption. So there you have it, guys. And it then tells you how to use it. And then it tells you some warnings. Don't cover it. Don't touch the metal grid. And don't block it. So yes, this is awesome. So this is an electric ceramic heater. And this is on Amazon. So I will leave a link at the bottom to show you, so that way you'll know where to get it and everything like that. So because winter is coming. And like I said, this is awesome. I'm going to turn it on again. Oh my gosh. Woo! This is so great. I could be sitting in my chair right now and scrapbooking. This is awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. I couldn't ask for anything better right about now. So I'm super excited about that. So anyway, so if you're ever interested in getting it, and like I said, when you move it, it turns itself off, and which is a good thing because sometimes when you knock things over, you know, and stuff like that. And I love that it has the little rubber on the bottom here, the feet, and this little white thing, the little switch here, that's what lets it know that it's being moved. So that's helpful as well. But I loved how it has the non-slip, so that it's not slipping. And you put it down and you turn it on. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Loving it. So I will be leaving the link down the bottom. And if you like I said, if you really want this, just purchase it from Amazon. I purchased mine today, early this morning, and it came today. So if you have Amazon Prime, those are the benefits that you get. Oh, it's nice and warm. Oh, I'm loving it. Thanks guys for watching. And I will be back soon here with some scrappy videos and things like that. Take care. Bye-bye.